today's video I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious mutton potato curry, and that too in a pressure cooker. This is the easiest way to make this yummy delicious Indian curry. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out. Su's Food Corner special mutton curry. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you're new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this awesome recipe of mutton potato curry. For this I am using a pressure cooker. I need to add around 7 tablespoons of oil for 1 kg of mutton. Wait till it starts to smoke. It's very important. Once it starts to smoke, I'll add medium to large size potatoes, around 3. I have cut it into half and I have kept the skin. I have not peeled off the skin. When we roast these potatoes in this oil with the skin turns out super crispy, and that actually gives a very nice flavor to this curry. It's a typical Odisha style mutton curry prepared in the state of Odisha. So that's the recipe I'm going to share with you. So my potatoes are nicely done. They're golden brown, and in the same oil I need to add some spices: cinnamon 1 inch, cloves 3, 2 green cardamom, and 1 to 2 bay leaves goes in, and some cloves goes in. So basically we'll be adding some whole dry spices to flavor this oil. So once it's done, I'll add around 250 grams of onions. These are thinly sliced, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and wait till these onions get nicely caramelized to golden brown color. For 1 kg of mutton, I have taken in 250 grams of onions, and after roasting for around 7 to 8 minutes or maybe 10 minutes, these onions are beautifully golden fried. This is the color that we want. And now for Su's Food Corner special trick is that at this stage I'll add around half a cup of water and let these onions release their beautiful caramelized color in this water. That will give the peculiar color of mutton curry in the pressure cooker. And once this water starts to boil, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder goes in, some coriander powder around 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, and Kashmiri red chili powder for the beautiful color around 1 tablespoon. That goes in. Give it a mix, and now you can see, as because we had added water, the caramelized color of onions have given a very nice color to the spice paste. Roast for around 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, and once these dry spices are roasted, I'll add a paste of around 2 inch of ginger, 15 garlic cloves, 2 green chili, and cumin seeds half teaspoon. This is the paste I had made, and this I need to roast with this prepared paste for around 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame, till you can see the spice paste starts to release some oil from sides. And I have used very less oil in this recipe because mutton is a fatty ingredient that will release its own oil. And once it has, the spice paste has roasted after 7 to 8 minutes, to 1 large size tomato I have added, and I had just give it a mix, covered it in low flame for around 6 to 7 minutes, and after 6 to 7 minutes these tomatoes will release their moisture and they have softened, and our spice paste, the masala paste, has also been cooked to perfection. This is the time to add a mutton. So in very less oil you can see how I have roasted this masala paste, and in this mutton I have added 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of green papaya paste, and I had kept for around half an hour. That acts as a tenderizer, and that will help this mutton to become tender very soon. And now I'll increase the flame, add the mutton pieces to this spice paste, and roast in high flame for around 6 to 7 minutes. Now the trick here is that this mutton, as we are preparing in pressure cooker, at this stage we need to have some patience, and after roasting for high flame for around 4 to 5 minutes, once the outer layer of the mutton gets seared, I'll reduce the flame to medium and then roast this mutton on medium flame for more 8 to 10 minutes till the color of this spice paste changes from light red color to a beautiful caramelized brownish color. That's very important. And meanwhile I'll be just stirring it, because when we roast it on medium flame, gradually the mutton will release its moisture and this will start to cook in its own moisture. So you can see how I am roasting it. The flame is on medium at this stage, and you can see I have used very less amount of oil, otherwise the oil quantity can be visible in this mutton. And yes, after adding this mutton, when we cook this in pressure cooker, that will release enough oil. And after 5 to 7 minutes I have added the potatoes, And you can see these potatoes are nicely being roasted with the spices and the mutton, and after roasting for around maybe 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame, I had added potatoes, and after adding potatoes again I have roasted for more 6 to 7 minutes. Total I have roasted for around 15 to 20 minutes, and this is the color that has changed, and I am actually going to show you the comparison so that it can be clear. The initial color of the mutton was something similar to light reddish, that's the left hand side, and this is the color that we have attained after roasting. And now it's time to add water. 1.5 glass of hot water at around approximately 500 ml to 600 ml goes in. Basically the water level should be 1 inch above the mutton. That's the trick. We don't want a watery gravy. Water levels should be exactly around 1 to 1.5 inch above the mutton. That's it. Give it a mix, and you can see the color is something different now. And just wait for the magic. I'll cover the lid, cook it in high flame for around 2 whistles, and reduce the flame and cook it on low flame for 2 whistles, and wait till the gas releases. And after around 15-20 minutes more, this is the color that the delicious mutton curry has attained. You can see the mutton has released its own fat. The color has drastically changed. Potatoes are perfectly done, and now it's time to add the garam masala. 1 teaspoon of homemade garam masala goes in. Give it a mix. You can adjust the consistency at this stage or salt at this stage. And now you can see my mutton curry is ready to be served. The consistency is perfect, and these potatoes give the typical Odisha style mutton curry. Mutton with potatoes, that's the way it is prepared in the state of Odisha. To try it out, you'll love it with hot steaming rice. You can see the luscious color of this mutton curry. This is one of the easiest yet yummiest recipes of mutton curry. You can try, give it a try, and let me know how it turned out. Now it's time for the comment of the day, and today's comment is very inspiring. I just love the words, so I thought I need to share with it to you. Today's comment of the day is from Isar. He writes, "You are so inspiring. I am in IT as well, and same experience as yours. I can barely find some time to cook few times a week. You are managing your job, your studies, which is altogether a different field, your business, and finally your YouTube channel. Keep going and keep shining." Thank you so much, Isar. Such beautiful comment. Thank you for all the love. I'm so blessed so that my videos are watched by lovely souls like you. Stay safe and stay connected. This pressure cooker mutton curry is a sure hit, and do give it a try. You can follow Su's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook, and if you have liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.